How you doing, guys? Jack here from iCanPlayDrums.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the third lesson in a series of 3 where we're checking out how to play the double paradiddle within a groove context. This is an example that you'll find in Rudiments Around the Kit, which is a fully structured course on how to apply all the rudiments, not just the paradiddles, flams, rolls, diddles, the whole bit, around the kit, both as fills and beats. Click the link below if you're interested in that. Alright, so in the first lesson, we did a really basic one. In the second, we started applying a few more bass drum figures. What we're going to do now is actually check out how to move the left hand around the kit, because this is something that we haven't looked at yet in the previous 2 videos. So we're going to learn how to do this. Now, you don't have to play the right hand on the bell of the ride cymbal. It works really well if you do, but basically in order to get this variation to work, you kind of have to move the right hand away from the hi-hat, or at least it's easier if you do. You could play the right hand on the hi-hat. It's going to be really hard to get the left hand to move around the toms if your right hand is playing on the hi-hat. So this one kind of works well from a physical point of view if the right hand is not in the way of the left hand moving around the kit. So it could be the bow of the ride cymbal, it could be the bell, it could be the wood block, could be, you might have a stacker over here or something, a little mini china, could be anything. All right, so we're going to go with the beat that we used in the second variation, which was this. If you haven't checked out that video, check out the second video in the link below, and it was this. Now, in order to get from that to this, all right, in order to get these notes in, what we've got to do in the second half of the paradiddle, instead of just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like we did in the last 2 videos, the left hand, as soon as you make that backbeat, the left hand has to launch off and then move clockwise around the toms. So you'll now get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bang, and then you're back to the start, right? Okay, it's surprisingly easy to do once you understand what's going on, as I've just shown you. If you can already play the first and the second example that I showed you from the previous videos, this is not too much of a stretch. It's not like we're changing the sticking at all. It's still a double paradiddle, the left lead part of a double paradiddle. All right, so now you've got this. Now, all I was doing in the intro video, when every second time I went like this at the end, so I went, all right, that's just a little herter fill, which is a right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and I did one of it on the floor tom. It's just faster. So on the second time through, instead of going around the toms, I left everything on the snare until beat 4, and I went like this. 3 and 4 and 1. All right. 3 and 4 and the sticking. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and that's all it is. It's a 2-bar phrase at that point. Alright, that's all it is, but faster. So there you go, guys, a few variations on how to play the double paradiddle as a groove around the kit involving the left hand more. If you're interested in the full course, check out the link below to Rudiments Around the Kit. heaps of beats, heaps of fills in all the different rudiments. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.